Happy Coffee Lovers Blog Hop, everyone. This is Jessica Lynn from JessicaLynnOriginal.com. I draw all of the art that you see on our website, and I'm also the owner of the company. Thank you so much for choosing to watch our video. Whether this is your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Or if this is your 20th time here, again, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe down below. So today we're going to go ahead and for the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop, Jessica Lynn Original is giving away not one, not two, but 3 free digital stamps for download. Now, you can only get them while the hop is happening, so until next week. So you have 7 days from today, and today is November 2nd. So you have till the 9th to go and pick them up. And basically go download them, print them off. We're already to that point where I've printed them off. I'll put a link down below if you are not sure how to use a digital stamp, and I'll kind of talk you through that process. It's extremely easy to do. And what I'm going to do is one of the swags, if you will, that you get with this set, you get a coffee cup and then 2 swags, one that's more Christmas themed and another one that is more set for fall, because I'm not quite ready for Christmas. I mean, I am. It's exciting to see because it's not Halloween, and I'm always excited for when the next holiday comes, but I still want to have a little bit of fall between now and Thanksgiving. So I went ahead and I have this stack of papers, and I got it from Joann's many moons ago, and I picked this background. I do like stripies, and I am going to put it on craft paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by cutting out the background and applying that to the cardstock. And now we're just going to make sure that it has a nice edge, so we're going to use our Fiskars trimmer and just clean it up. Now, I will say one thing, with digital stamps, they don't come with die cuts. So if you're used to using a die cut, they don't come with them. So you have a couple of options that you can choose. You could cut them out and fussy cut them. If you have a Cricut, you could use the outline and make a cut pattern for that. Or if you have a Brother Scan-A-Cut, you could cut them out, which is what I did. Now the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to color these in, but don't forget, always sign the back of your cards. I encourage you to do that. And again, while you're watching me sign the back, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. It's a big red button off on the right hand side at the bottom. Just go ahead and click on that. We'd love to have you come back and watch our videos again. So what we're going to do is we're going to get out some Copics, and we are going to use this stamp set. It is a Jessica Lynn Original stamp set. And it is all about the hometown, which is where we're from, which is Milwaukee. And what I love about it is I did put a couple of fun sentiments in there, and one of them says, "Feels great to be home." So I thought, you know, cup of coffee, nice warm home, although Wisconsin is not warm because on Halloween we had 3 or 4 inches of snow. It was crazy. But it's a fun little stamp set that you can use. And again, I'm just going to use some Close to My Heart ink, and this is called the color coffee. It's called Coffee. No, I take it back. It's actually called Chocolate. Sorry about that. But it is a great ink. I really like it quite a bit. I've had this set for, I think I have like 20 of them that I bought probably 10 years ago. The Milwaukee stamp set, if you're interested, it is available on our website. Again, just JessicaLynnOriginal.com. We also have one for Madison, Wisconsin, and for Green Bay, which is where the Packers play. And now what we're going to do is we're going to color this on in. And I will try to put the cap color like off on the side so you can see it while I'm working, but I thought, you know, we're gonna stay in kind of that fall harvesty feel, and I'm gonna make the card as neutral as possible just because the background is so vivid in color and I don't want it to get lost. And I kind of thought, you know, maybe this brown sand color might not be the right color for the coffee cup, but when I'm all done with it, it actually fits it quite well. Now I'm going to add in some grays, tone it out, and then we'll go ahead and color in the fall swag, which I have down there. And again, don't forget, these are free. So if you're interested in picking these 3 up, head out to JessicaLynnOriginal, download them right away so you've got them. They will not be free after the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop, so make sure you get them while they still are. I wanted to try and make the fall swag that I'm working on right here with the leaves as colorful as possible. In Wisconsin, we have a lot of green and yellow leaves currently, but I really love when there's a couple of trees that have just those beautiful bright red leaves, and they're gorgeous. And all I'm doing is choosing a lighter color and then coming back in with a little darker of the same shade, so orange or yellow, and then just adding in some shadows. And I opted to use a little of the same brown that is on the lid of the coffee cup in the center of the swag, just to kind of tie it all together. being able to hand draw this and then color it in and kind of bring it to life, it's so fulfilling. I think it's so exciting to kind of see that full circle from, you know, the black pen and ink that I drew on a sheet of paper, and then I scanned it in and converted it into this beautiful digital stamp for you. Now, I'm now going to go ahead and apply the fall swag to the coffee cup, and when I mounted the coffee cup onto the cardstock, you can see I kind of put it off to the left hand side a little bit. I also added a couple of little dots just to add a little pattern. I wanted the swag to kind of fall off to the right hand side, and I'm not going to say that it is coffee cup that would be, you know, able to drink coffee from it, but at least I put the swag on the right side so that, you know, when I drink from it, I guess it won't get all over, but not really sure what that material will be made of, but I still think it's very pretty. Well, again, I just want to take a moment and say thank you so much for watching our video. Again, my name is Jessica Lynn, and I am the owner of JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Be sure to visit our website, and then don't forget to comment down below, like this video, and then be sure to subscribe. Thank you again.